So for today's video, it's gonna be my Boxycharm unboxing. I lost all the sound on my previous video because my mic's like dead and I need to get a new one, which is why I'm using the audio on the camera now, so I'm terribly sorry about that. Bear with me here. Obviously I already opened it up because I already did a previous video, but I'm just gonna like shoot in some b-roll and give my little mini reviews on it because I didn't want to just skip over a Boxycharm unboxing. I love this box too, so. I am wearing all the products that are in the box except for one item. Okay, let's open her up. They have new pamphlets now. Pamphlets. They look like this. I actually like the postcards better because this, you literally take it and I don't know, it's a little bit too long for me. I think it's still really cute, but it's just a little bit too long for me because this is gonna get in the way of a lot of things. Okay, so the first item, this is the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter and it retails for $29. It says here, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto the skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging. I do like a squeezy tube. Squeezable packaging to put this highlighter exactly where you want it. It is a squeezy tube, comes like that. It's a squeezy tube. This is way too deep for me, but not only that, this is the only product that I don't have on today. I actually have the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, but this one in the shade Sparkler, I don't know if they're all like this, but it's very, very glittery and I found it really hard to blend. So not only was it a little bit too deep for me, it was just a little bit too glittery for me, and I'm more of a sheen highlighter lit from within. Like this is really, it's really bright highlight, but there's no glitter in it. So I hope you can tell on the b-roll that I'm putting in that you can see it's kind of glittery. I don't really tell if you can see on camera that it was glittery, but yeah. I like a blinding highlight, but I don't want to see any flecks of glitter in it unless it's on my eyes. So this is the only product in the box that I don't particularly like, and I'm sad because I wanted to like you. I don't know why it's so dark looking in here as well. Oh, it is really cloudy outside, so this is the thing that I was most excited for. This is the Colourpop You Had Me at Hello palette, and I was super excited because I already had the Golden State of Mind palette. I was just really hoping I wouldn't get that one, and I'm super stoked I got this. I did, however, want the Element of Surprise palette or the My Little Pony palette, but I'm still super stoked about this. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing it on my eyes today. A very like purpley sort of like mauvey look. I already beat her up. She's neutrals, mauves, chocolatey browns, rose gold shimmers. There's no foils in here. There's just shimmers, but they are very beautiful shimmers. Oh, and it does come with a mirror. I didn't even tell you how much the Colourpop palette is. The Colourpop palette is $18, and I believe it because it has that mirror in it. It says here on the box, it's highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. They do. Colourpop is my absolute like favorite. Pretty much if I had to pick one brand to use for the rest of my life and I only had to pick one, it would be Colourpop. Their eyeshadows blend like a dream. The price is right. Anything that I've gotten from Colourpop so far has not disappointed me. So I'm super stoked we got this in the box. My teeth are hurting so bad. I've been whitening them with those Crest whitening dental professional strips and they're sensitive. So the next thing we got in the box, or that I got in the box, the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask by Dr. Brandt. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. And this retails for $47 and you get 1 fluid ounce. I don't know if that's like a proper amount. I mean, this thing looks really tiny, but I already used this 2 times. I love the way it feels. You put it on, they have like these little dark blue micro beads that burst. It makes the mask like turn like a lighter baby blue color. Then it feels really cool and refreshing. Like it's literally sucking the dirt and grime and unclogging your pores like it's supposed to. But when I washed it off, it was actually really hard to get off. I had to wipe it off with a makeup wipe. However, I did feel like, I don't know, like I felt clear, as if I didn't realize how much dirt was in my face until it sucked it out, if that makes sense. I didn't know how I felt about it the first time since it was really hard to get off, but I used it again last night and I only put it on my, like, my T-zone and like right under, not on top of my eyes, but like right, kind of like right there. I mean, when I wash it off, I don't see a huge difference, but I feel the difference. Like, I feel like I'm being cleaned out. So I don't know if I would personally would just like buy this, but I'm super stoked it's in the box because I am a really huge fan of Dr. Brandt. I'm like totally in love with the luminizer primer. I use it every day. Honestly, I don't know when I'm gonna run out of it. We got it in the box in January, I think, and that thing's still running strong, so who knows, maybe this would last a long time. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this Brow Gal Brow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. So I probably should have not done my brows and just used this because that's what it's for. You're supposed to just use it on your regular brows, so. I got mine in the shade Brown Hair 2, which I think is pretty dark. Honestly, it kind of does match my roots, but it's just like, it's a hair too dark. The thing about it is it does fill in like the sparseness, you know, the areas where I need more color, but it didn't give my brows the volume that I love. Like my Anastasia clear brow gel, this stuff gives me volume. But usually I'll do my brows with my Anastasia brow definer on my brow wiz, and then I'll set it down with a powder. So usually I don't go for the tinted ones, but I love how tiny, oh my gosh, my hands are red. I do love how tiny this wand is. It really just gets right in there where I can just kind of go and do my brows and not be afraid to mess them up. However, it's just a little bit too dark. I think I'm gonna try it again later without any brow product on and see how it performs then. But other than that, I'm not in love with it, but I don't hate it either. And the last thing in the box is this high definition liquefied lipstick by, liquid lipstick by Adesse. And I am wearing it on my lips today. It doesn't have a shade on it. I would say it's definitely more of a brownie nude, and it does not dry down. It is a liquefied lipstick, so it still has tackiness. I'm more of a, I want it to dry down because my hair be blowing all up in my face and it sticks there and then it rubs. But I don't mind a liquefied lipstick. Let me show you the wand. It's one of those flat oval at the top ones. And I'm usually not the biggest fan. I like it for the bottom lip. However, for on the top lip, it is kind of hard to carve out the top of my lip with it. But other than that, I like it. It's very comfortable. I did eat with it though this morning. I ate breakfast with it and it rubbed right off. So I had to reapply it, but that didn't bother me. So I don't know how long wearing it is since I did eat, but I'll put in the description down below how long it did last because I will be wearing this for the rest of the day. And it is 2:32 p.m. and I will be wearing it till 10 o'clock at night because I already know that's when I'm gonna get to going home. Okay, so that was everything in the box. I did see that some people got brushes and other people got the MAC lipstick, which I actually don't own a MAC product, so that would have been really exciting for me to get one of those nude MAC lipsticks, but it's okay. My favorite thing in the box was definitely the Colourpop palette. I'm gonna be using and abusing this, I already know, especially since it has like neutrals and all that good stuff. Love it. I'll definitely be trying this guy out again, this guy. However, I'm gonna be gifting this to somebody else. Alright you guys, that completes this video. That was everything I got in this month's box. Also, thank you for putting up with the audio of my internal camera and I'm terribly sorry about the cars in the background. I only have time to film during the day and I live next to the street. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Did you guys get the MAC lipstick? Did you get the brushes? I thought people got brushes and I never even knew that was an option. But yeah, I really enjoyed this month's box, especially for this guy right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! So my favorite thing in the palette, okay, my hair is wild today. So let's look at her up. Let's look at her up. See if that helped. If I don't stop kicking my camera. Oh, I thought I washed it all the way off and then I get into the lights and it's, but thank